Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Oh, my cheek just squeaked. Today's video is going to be a favorites video for the month of March. I have so much stuff here. It's insane. I'm going to try to get through all of it very quickly. It's not going to be a try on, but everything I am going to talk up, almost everything, besides the like skincare and stuff, is on my face right now, and I will tell you what is what when we get to it. So yeah, we're gonna just dive right in. So first we're gonna talk about hair. Basically, I cut my hair off, I would say 2 months ago, maybe 3, and I really like it. The only thing I don't like is that I can't put it up in a bun like fully. I can, but just like I'll have these like straps, like if you can, like I'll have these like this guy happening, and it's not my favorite thing in the world. I like to have my hair off my neck sometimes, but it is actually pretty easy to maintain. I do have pretty naturally wavy hair, but what I use, like, and this is like never fails me ever, it's so good. It doesn't make my hair crunchy. It still feels super soft, and it's called the Locking Plus Coconut Curl. What I do is I get out of the shower, I towel dry my hair, put a dab of this in my hands, swish it around, flip my hair over, plump, and I'm done. And I just let my hair dry. I forget about it while I'm doing my makeup, and then by the time I'm out the door, I'm out the door. But yeah, this is one of my like pretty much holy grail products, and it's something that I've been introduced to this month. I have already gone through a pack of these, but these are the Stress Relieving Refresh Your Day Pure Full Cleanse Tissue. Refreshing, reviving, refining, relaxing. You know how CVS has those like that new like K-beauty section? This is from that section. You get 3 in a pack, and I think they're like $5-6. They are really great, and I love them. I find that my skin really likes them, and they're just really nice, and they smell like citrusy, so really refreshing. Really like them. Moving on, this is from Bath & Body Works, and this is actually like kind of an old product that I just kind of recently was like, I love this again, and like I love the smell. It's Cashmere Glow from Bed Bath & Body Works. It's pretty amazing. As you can see, I've used quite a bit of it. The smell is just, it's like an amber vanilla-y, like oaky smell. It's so good. It's so good. I love it. The next thing I want to talk about is actually a cleanser, and this is actually also from the K-beauty section, the same things that those wipes were from in CVS, and it's called ELISHA Koi. It's the VITA Capsule Cleanser. I really like this. It really does. It makes my skin feel so nice and soft and moisturized. So I really like this. I have had this guy for 3 days. Yeah, I got it on Saturday. It's Monday. So this would be my 3rd day having it. This is the Foreo Luna 2 Professional. They do have a range of just Luna 2s. Basically, there's 4 of them, and they're for each, like, 4 different skin types, and you can pick your skin type, which I think is really cool. But I saw this one, and I was like, oh, you know what, why not? This is a pricey item, you guys, I will say that, but it is an alternative to the Clarisonic. This guy is a whopping $250. Yes, that is expensive. But when I was researching it, the Clarisonic, you have to switch the brush heads often, like every month, and those brush heads are $30 to $50 each, guys, each. So if you're gonna pay, like, let's say if you bought the Mia 2 for full price, I believe it's $169. Add that every month, you're gonna be spending $30 to $50, maybe every 2, every 3, but still that's gonna add up eventually to more than $250. This guy, no brush head to change. It is made of medical grade silicone. This is not sponsored. I love this. And granted, it's day 3, but the first time I used it, I was like, this was worth $250. Like the first time I used it. It makes you feel like you can feel it on your face. Like you feel like you just got a crazy facial, like you feel, and it makes you like relax. Like I'm not someone that likes to wash my face, and so for me to say that I look forward to washing my face. It is literally amazing. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's my little baby. Okay. Moving on. This is hand cream. I know that's super random, but I just wanted to mention this because this is something that I used in like high school. And I was talking to someone the other day and I was like, I remember this hand cream I used. And I know it's so random, but I was like, oh, I wonder if they still make it. And I went into CVS and lo and behold, they do. This literally makes your hands so soft, and you only need like a very little bit. It's just awesome. Next, this is a holy grail product of mine. This is the NEOSPORIN Lip Health, and it's the overnight renewal therapy. I use this all the time during the day too. I know it says overnight. You just can't, you have to use a very little bit because it is white. But I will put just a touch and a dab on this while I'm doing my makeup before I put on my lip products, and it really just sets up the skin on your lips really nicely for especially matte lipsticks. There won't be any like skin peeling off your lips, like, you know how it really emphasizes that. Even if you don't have chapped lips, you put on a matte lipstick and you're like, wow, do I look like I have chapped lips now? This will help you with that. I just really love this guy. I think he's $6.99? $6.99 at the drugstore. It's so good. I forgot about this guy and then saw a video on YouTube and I was like, hey, I have that from like forever ago, but I have it. And so I decided to pull it out, and I've really been liking it. Like, it really sinks into my pores really well, and it really, like, I can see my pores are like minimized, and I really like this. And I feel like my makeup wears really well on top of this. So I love this. So I have two foundations here. One is the Healthy Foundation. I'm still loving this foundation so much. It's just so light and it's really dewy. It just makes my skin look so healthy. The Healthy Foundation, go figure. And I like the applicator. It covers a lot of space. It's just all in all a great foundation. It doesn't make me break out. It looks really healthy. It feels really light. It's great for, you know, no makeup or even makeup. It's great for really anything that you want to do with it. Next is the LA Girl Pro Matte. I know you guys have probably been seeing this going around. It's the HD High Definition Long Wear Matte Foundation. This is actually my first matte, like labeled matte foundation, and I really like it. I have it on my skin today. I really like it. I do not think it is full coverage at all. Of course, you can see a little bit of like redness peeking through. You can see my moles all over. Yeah, but I don't mind that. I actually got a new beauty blender. It is from Eco Tools, and I really like it. It's really soft and bouncy, and I like that there's two, like, but this end is a big end, so it covers as you're stamping a lot of space, and then this end is the small end to get like all in here and all over here. And yeah, this guy's really nice. I like him. Okay, this Age Rewind from Maybelline I just got about 2 weeks ago, and I love it. I have not stopped using it since. I really like this sponge applicator. I like find that I don't even really need a beauty blender to blend it out. I like this a lot. Another concealer that we have is literally my holy grail. I only bring this out whenever I need crazy coverage. I do not have this on my face today, I will say that, but I just wanted to mention it because I feel like I haven't heard about this and it's not mentioned, and I feel like it's from Bare Minerals. It looks like this, and when you open it, it looks like this. I just love this. It covers so crazy, and it's like such a great consistency. It's creamy. It's not matte. It's definitely a little radiance, which I like personally, but I love this. I haven't mentioned it, but everybody talks about it. It is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. It is so nice. I believe it is like $14.79 exactly at CVS. I can't even get over the smell. I could literally, like, do they make perfume? Like Physicians Formula, hello? You need to make this in a perfume. I would buy it. This is turning into a Physicians Formula video, but I just want to mention it because it is something new that I have gotten and have loved in the month of March. This is the Butter Blush from Physicians Formula. I just love because it is so creamy. I have such pale skin. It comes out as just like a little flush of color for me. And if you want a really pigmented blush, this is not the blush for you, but I have it on my cheeks right now, just right here, like just to pop a little color, a little flush on my face. And I truly love it, and it also smells amazing as well. So let's talk about highlighters. I actually have 3 to talk about. While we're on a Physicians Formula kick, let's just talk about the Butter Highlight from Physicians Formula. This I love. It is literally a cream to powder highlight. It is stunning. It is so pretty. Ugh, it looks wet. It's amazing. I love this. I do not have this on my face today. I actually have Wet n Wild Hello Halo Liquid Highlighter. I have this in Halo Goodbye. It's 304A. It is cream, but I use this over my foundation, over my powder today, and it works like a dream. I love it. It's so nice. It's so pretty. I just love it. And I can imagine if you were going to the beach and you weren't like no face makeup, nothing, and you just wanted like a little bit of a glow, this would be so good for you. So perfect. Just really pretty. What I have over top of that is, and don't hate me, I know this is limited edition, but I did get this at Rite Aid. I was looking at it online, and literally on eBay it's like $189. This is $6.99. But then I just happened to walk in my Rite Aid and it was sitting there. This is the Moon Tears, oh shoot. This is the Moon Tears highlight, and that is what it looks like. It is super pigmented, super highlight. Holy crap, it is so nice. If you can see it on my cheeks right here, it is pretty blinding, but it is amazing, really natural. It's just so good. I mean, for $7, whoo! Next we have the Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer from Maybelline. I love this. It definitely gets a little bit like a little messy, but it looks like this, and they have fibers, and this is great for when you don't even want to wear anything on your brows and you just want to like it keeps your brows there, and it makes them a little bit fuller at the same time, so you kind of get the same effect as if you were to draw in your eyebrows, just a little bit more natural. I also want to touch on the NYX Worth the Hype mascara. I do have this on, if you can see, the inner corner of my eye right there, and also my lower lash line. This does volumize quite a bit and also lengthens. I'm really into this. I still have to try this out more. I just got it 2 days ago, but so far, so good. Let's move on to lips really fast. I have 2 MILANI lip products here. They are the AMORE Matte Metallic Lip Cream. I have the shade Prismatic Touch on my lips today. I love it. No transfer at all. I love it so much. They dry down very comfortably. They are completely matte, and it just gives your lips that like glistening shine, which I do love. So shout out to MILANI. So the next thing I want to talk about is the Profusion Naturals palette. I am obsessed. This is $9.99 at Target. Yes, look how beautiful this palette is, you guys. Oh my god, it is so pretty. It comes with a great brush as well. I use this all the time. It has a packing end as well as a fluff brush to just fluff it in the crease. You have such a great selection. You have a whole crap load of crease shades. You have a couple fun colors. This is an amazing palette, and for $9, I believe they have one more palette like this, and I need to go pick it up. Another thing is the Magnetic Accents from Ardell. That is actually what I have on my eyes today. I did a video on the application of these guys. I will link it down below, but I am obsessed with them. Once you get the hang of it, they are the easiest things to apply, and there's no goop, no nothing. Just peel them off and you're good. They're a win. I love them. last but not least, I want to talk about the polish I have on my nails today. But this is the KL polish in Charm from the Ethereal Garden collection. I am obsessed. I think it is so pretty and so just so different. It's a really cool polish and I'm obsessed. I also got Pinky and Das Suspensive 26, which I will be trying out soon, but that is for another day, another time. That completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye!